watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and hit the notification bell to see more of my videos. Welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna be doing this makeup look, the dramatic smoky eye look. And if you want to see how I created this makeup, then keep on watching. So far I like this one compared to the Loreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. I like this one instead. Then my all-time favorite, L'Oreal Infallible Paris. I like to put it in here so it's easy for me to apply. I'm on the shade 24 Golden Beige because I'm a bit tan. Next is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Concealer. So I'm putting it first into my under eye so it will set there. And for my eye base, I'd like to put this MAC Prep Prime for my eyeshadow. And I want to set my under eye using this Deborah setting powder. Brows are done, and then the left eye is done, and we'll go to the eye look. I really love this palette because it has all the colors that I need. Doing a wiper motion. And I'm pressing the light orange, the edge on top of the brown. Smudge my ring finger with the shimmer. And lashes are up, and let's continue with the face makeup. And I would like to put on the highlighter from Kiko Milano. Do the bronzing from Hoola Benefit. Bronzing is done, and we'll put on the blushes. This is from Tarte Cosmetics. And I'm using this NYX lip liner to create a shade on my lips. And now I'm finishing it with Max Factor lipstick. Ready to finish my makeup. There you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy watching my video, and see you on my next one.